Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add overlay to your project right here in Adobe Premiere Rush. Of course, after downloading and installing the Premiere Rush, it's going to take you to this homepage where you can, of course, create a new project by tapping the Create a New Project tab. Or if you have existing projects like I have right here, you can just select it to start working on it. So today's task is pretty much simple, how to add overlay. Now it depends on the kind of overlay you want to add. If you want to add built-in overlay in the Adobe Premiere Rush app, this is what you can do. Of course, I'll show you. So you can either add the built-in graphics kind of overlay, or you can add images or logos as your overlay. So let us add graphics as overlay. Now head over to the left corner of your screen and you see the top left and you see the plus icon right there representing add media where my cursor is. So just follow my cursor. And right here it says graphics. So I'm just going to click graphics and head over, just scroll down to this is overlay, and this is like we have 4 overlays. So I'm just going to select the one that is free. The one that is start is not free, so you have to pay for that. And the one that is not start is free. So I'm just going to click on the first and head over to add. I'm just going to click on the add button right there. And you see this window that just popped up, it means it's coming up. So I'm just going to click exit right here to exit that. So here is my overlay and it has been added on top of my video. You see, this is the overlay. So you see, it has been added. Okay. So if I want to expand this, I'm just going to head over to the end of the slider and I'm going to drag it to, fit the end of the video. Now, if of course I want to edit this, like and subscribe, I'm just gonna click on it, click on the overlay and head over to the screen and click on it. All right, so this is it. This is like the overlay. Of course, you can just hold it and select whatever I want to select right there. So this is like username at, do whatever thing you want to do on this project. So right here on the screen, of course, you can head over here and to the end, like to the bottom, to the top right, the edge right there, and just drag it to reduce the size, and then you can just draw it to any part of the video where you want this overlay to be on. Okay, let's say we like it there, so that's where it is going to be. Of course, if you want that to just be there, to just be stationed there, or to just move to the top, just hold and drag to any side of the video. Of course, you can just head over to the edge again and reduce the size to whatever you want. So here you can of course add a picture as an overlay, or add it if you want, add a picture as an overlay so that you can make it your logo if you don't want the customized one right here in the app. And this is of course how to of course, I'm just going to exit this. So this is how to add your overlay. Okay, so I'm going to like click this, and so I'm just going to expand on this, all right, so that I can definitely edit what is there. So I'm just going to click on this. So it has been clicked. So I'm just head over to the top right and click on text. So this is the text, all right. So because I've clicked on text, I can now head over to this and click on the box right there, and I'm gonna edit this to don't forget to subscribe. And you see, that's it. I'm just gonna click that, and this is what it's going to be like here. So that's it. So I can just drag this and just make it small and move. So yeah, if you want to add a picture, or like a picture as an overlay, you can head over to the plus icon right there and then add media. It says your media, so you have to click on it. So these are like your pictures. You can just change it. Let's say there's you can go over it like this, download, and these are like your download. So these are your pictures available in your download. So I'm just gonna click on one and click add. and you see it has been imported, and this is the picture. Simpson drag it forward to another tab. Let me see this way, I wanted to be. So this is like on the video. So I'm gonna play this. Okay, I'm like holding the edges to make it small so that you will not just cover the entire screen. Okay, you see it's like logging, so you can just of course keep on reducing the size of this particular picture, which could definitely be your logo. And I'm just gonna move it to wherever I want it to be. Let's say I want it to be here, and I can just keep reducing, reducing, and reducing.